Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken bell pepper soup. So let's get crocking. I'm starting off with 1 box of chicken broth, so 32 ounce box of chicken broth, 1 cup of salsa, and 1 medium onion that I cut up, and 3 medium bell peppers, 2 red, 1 orange. These are sweet bell peppers. I like these better than the green ones. And then 2 chicken breasts that I cut up into bite-sized pieces. I'm also going to add a 15-ounce can of red kidney beans that I drained. And I'll get this all mixed up. And I'll write all the ingredients in the description when I'm done. For seasoning, I'm going to use some kosher salt. And this is just going to be all kind of done to taste. I may have to taste it at the end and add a little more if it needs it. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Sprinkle in some of that. And also, for a little bit of heat, I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. But if you don't like that, you can leave that out if you don't really want it spicy. And we'll get this all stirred up. Now we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. These sweet bell peppers come in a 2-pound bag like that. I found them at Grocery Outlet. I think they were $3.99. So you get about 5 of them, about that size in a bag. And that's the salsa I used and the red kidney beans. It's been 2 hours and 15 minutes, so I'm going to check on this. Alright, looks like the chicken is cooked. And I would say that's probably pretty good. I don't want my peppers to get all mushy. I like them with, you know, a little bit on the crispier side. So I think that's probably good. I think I'm going to shut that off and we'll try it out. I put some corn tortilla chips in a bowl, and I put these over the chips. You could use corn tortillas as well. I've seen other people do things like this, call it tortilla soup. I didn't really follow their recipes. This is just my own recipe here, but I just thought I'd try eating it this way over the chips and see how that is. I think I put some shredded cheddar cheese on top as well, a little bit of that. Okay, my cheese melted. Let's try this out. That's good that way, kind of like a chicken fajita, a chicken burrito, something like that. Only you eat it in a bowl. Now Annie showed up. I guess I better let her try it out. Want to try a piece of chicken there, Annie? There you go. Guess that's Annie approved. Well, I thought that turned out good. The peppers still were a little crispy, had a little crunch to them. They weren't all soggy. And the chicken was cooked, but it wasn't dry. So I was pretty happy with that. Anyway, I'll write the ingredients and the cooking time in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. And Honey the cat had to show up and see what's going on. Although she's looking out the window at the hummingbirds using the feeder out there.